Okay, so good. A refresher. So this will now be that my if function is my revenue. Okay, that my revenue is what is this? Develop this is greater than 15k, and I want it, if that is the case, right? Good. Otherwise, I want you to write bad. Good. Done. Then this is another criteria that's different. I will say that if statement is now the same revenue and I do this, and what do I want it to do? Greater than 15,000. Now before I go on, I will introduce and, because I'm comparing two things, and which is, so I'll start. This is my revenue, and my revenue is what? It's greater than 15,000, right? And because the situation I have here, what do I have to do? I want to lock this cell. I want to lock it, and so that it won't, spill off. Then the next thing, if also my revenue, this, so this first one is if my revenue is greater than 15,000. So I lock it with F4, comma, and my revenue again is what? Is less than what is it less than? This, and I lock it with my F4 and I close the brackets. But what did I want it to do? Let it write. This time let me change it. Excellent. Then comma, let it write poor. And I close my bracket and hit enter. So that hit enter. I drag it down. So that is what I have at the end of the day. That's what I have at the end of the day. Let me change this. Let me change this to good, since I used good the earlier time. Change this to good. It will still work. So that's what I have. So the next thing, let me quickly go to what is called the count function. So the count function is what I'll be using for the count function. The first one is to count, and my count is what? So my count is that how many of the cell that have numbers. Quantity is the only one that has numbers. So I click on it and I drag down. So count them for me. So that's my count. That's my count. And the next thing I have my count A. So my count A. My count A is with text. With text. No blank. These are all my texts. Copy it. I close the bracket. Okay. Then the next one is count blank. Count blank. So my count blank, normally I have to come here because these are the only place I have blanks, and it counts it for me. And I close my brackets and I hit enter. That's 2. And the 2 is blank. So I come to count if. My count if. So my count if is I want to count what is here, and I will tell it to return, say football, double quotes, and I close the brackets and I hit enter. So C2 to C12 of cell, this condition. Let me change this condition again and say that so that is my condition. So this. And I want to use the order stable. So let's use the order stable, and that's ID, and then the is football. And I hit enter. Still same 0. Then for count ifs. So for count ifs, the criteria is if I have this and it is football, double quotes, comma, and if I have this, and the criteria is now quotes for it's 9. 9, 4, 3, 4. I close the bracket and I hit enter. So 0 match for these ones. So it's worth exploring most times. It's worth exploring most times. So it's worth exploring most times, and it's great having such conditions as this. So, so the B2 and say football and this. So it's just very, very interesting. And with this, I've come to the end of the if function and the count ifs function. Yes, if function and count if functions at the end of the day. At the end of the day. At the end of the day. So 5 is greater than this. Otherwise return blank. So ditto for also this, because this is just normal if, and that if is just this, and is greater than revenue, and my revenue is this, and I want it to do what? Right, good. Let's write it up, quote. Otherwise, just return blank, and I close the bracket, my enter. So I drag this down. It's all blank. It's because the condition was not properly stated, but that's what you're supposed to have. That's ifs is now the if statement is now from here, which is if p is, let's the whole of this copy it down, all of this cell down is what is greater than revenue, then write good, then otherwise write bad, and I close the quote, and I hit enter. So the formula spills. Okay, still spills. Okay, so that's just what we do.